go. Here's what we're going to do is we're going to build that toxin cleansing blast, the one that we talked about here, right from scratch. So this is something you're going to want to have set up maybe in your kitchen or in your refrigerator and ready to go. And we're going to first put in some spinach. That's our first ingredient. So you can just grab a little bit of spinach, put that right there at the bottom, maybe do a little bit more. And then we're going to take a banana and put the banana right in there. This NutriBlast is going to be completely liquefied. So we can just take the whole banana and put the whole thing right in there just like that. We're going to put some pineapple in. We've got a couple diced pieces of pineapple. That's going to go in there. We've got a few pieces of pear. So that's going to go in there. I'm just going to put a couple in. And I'll put one apple in there, one piece of apple. And this might be where you'd get to if you didn't watch this video. But since you're watching this video, here's the key thing. You've got to actually put the liquid in there in order to get a completely liquefied NutriBlast. Now I'm going to fill right up to a little line that you can see right on the front of the cup. Check that out. See that little line right there? It says max. That's your max liquid line, something to be aware of and something to look for. Okay, we've got our NutriBlast ready to go. We've got to put on the extractor blades. So here's another key idea. You just want to gently screw these on, just like that. And you don't want to twist it on so tight that you can't get it off, but you don't want to twist it on loose so that the water can leak out. So you want to just get a nice little fit on there. You're going to pop it onto the base with a very gentle action. You're going to push down and clockwise. Check it out. Now, all I did to turn this NutriBullet off is I just gently twisted counterclockwise, and that released the extractor blades, so we have our now completed NutriBlast. This is the toxin cleansing smoothie. This is the one, phase one right here, the most simple one, the first one right on your quick start guide, and we're going to check it out. So we're going to just remove the extractor blades. Let's see what we got here, and we're going to taste this thing. Delicious.
Wait, you haven't seen the best part yet. Here are some amazing offers and specials available for one time only. You can't afford to miss it.